Did you know that Amazon has dedicated network where service providers like you can get clients? If you are a freelancer or run an agency, you can officially work with Amazon sellers and grow your business. Sound interesting? Stay with me till the end and I will show you how exactly to get started, and trust me, you will want to save this video for later. So Amazon is not just a place for selling products, it is entire ecosystem, and seller need experts for things like product photography, PPC, listing optimization and logistics. That's where Amazon service provider SPN comes in. So SPN is marketplace of agencies and freelancers who provide on-demand services to Amazon sellers worldwide, and the best part, you can join it and start offering your expertise. So who can join SPN? If you are an agency or a freelancer offering Amazon related services, you are eligible for this. Whether you specialize in advertising, account management, logistic or even translation, there is a place for you. So benefits of joining SPN is number first, get clients worldwide, and number two, manage your orders in service provider central, number three is access exclusive learning resources, and number four is promote your services with sponsored banners and listings. So how to join this program? It is a simple 4-step process. Number one is register your service provider account using the official link. Step number two is submit your request and provide the required details. Step number three is Amazon SPN team will review and contact you via email. So step number four is to be onboarded as service provider. You must meet all the necessary criteria for the specific service. I have linked the full criteria document in the description, so please review it carefully before proceeding. And before this, there are some few things to qualify. Number one is a valid business license for your service business. Number two is professional seller central account for authentication, and interest in providing at least one of Amazon listed services. So now if you have been following my content, you might have already seen my video on SPP, which helps brand registered seller connect with professional service providers. If you have not watched that video, I will leave a link in the description and here. So check it out. Sound interesting? Click the link below and apply. Start your journey as Amazon service provider. If you want more tips on growing your e-commerce business, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for the future updates. Stay updated.